Fiorella pasta. We're at Durango in North Las Vegas. Let's go get it. Fiorella pasta. All right, so what's on the side now? We got the anchovies, that's the sauce, and those are the anchovies, right? Okay, thank you. There's the salad, that looks really good. These are the anchovies, and that's the sauce. Okay. Oh, it looks pretty good though. Let's take a bite. Mmm. It's really good. It's in the high eights. That's the rigatoni with some sausage. That looks killer diller. All right. Okay, that looks hot. Look at that. That's hot, right? Is that hot? Okay. Looks good. Let's try it. Oh, that's killer. So here's some of the sausage. I'm gonna have a little small bite. Right. Overall, the food is an 8. The service is a 6. So altogether it's in the 7s. This place is called Fiorella. Mike Eats the Street. For more videos, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Until next time, peace, Las Vegas. We got it.
Live life 365.
That's what I'm talking about. That sucker's hot. You see it? That sucker's hot. Not much of my wife. Now that's a eggplant lasagna. That looks good. Do it.
You're welcome to ask.
I want you to take a bite. All right.
It's a bit hot.
It's too hot. It's too hot to eat. Peace. So this place is called the Fiorella, and we're at Durango Casino in, I guess it's kind of North Las Vegas, right? Yeah, right up to 215. It's a Stations Casino. So far, the people in here have been a little weird, so we're going to do a Mike Eats the Street. We'll see if they get off the hook. Let's do it.